Meaningful monitoring for people with type 2 diabetes. How to check your own blood sugar level.
Okay, so I've got all the kit from my healthcare team, but I can't remember everything they said about how to use it.
The instructions in the box will explain everything you need to know, and there'll be a how-to video for your meter online.
They said you had to keep the pot of test strips with the cap on.
Yep. And away from extreme heat or cold, and not in direct sunlight.
Expiry date's okay.
Good. It may seem obvious, but it's worth making sure you're not using out-of-date ones or strips designed for another meter.
Strips have to be used within a certain time of opening the pot, they said.
That's right. Anything from a few months to over a year.
Okay. What now?
Before you start, get everything you need. The meter and test strips, the finger pricker and the lancets, some cotton wool or tissues, and whatever you use to record your numbers on. Hands clean?
Yep. Washed with soap and water and properly dried.
Okay. Putting a test strip into the meter usually turns it on, unless it's the type with test strips built in. Take the cap off the finger pricker and pop in a new lancet. Or if yours has a barrel of lancets, just select a new one. Then pull or click the plunger to prick the side of your fingertip.
Different finger each time, right?
Yep, and a different area. Now hold the edge or tip of the strip against the drop of blood. That means the test strip is filled, so just wipe your finger to stop the bleeding. And there's your blood glucose level, the reading you jot down in your diary or type into the app. Discard the test strip and lancet safely. The meter switches itself off automatically. Remember to note down the time, date, and also your food and activity information. And the doses of medication you've taken, or missed, come to that.
And that's what I share with my healthcare team, right? So we can talk it all through and agree what action to take.
Exactly. Lots of people like using the app to record everything because it automatically generates reports for you and your healthcare team. But if you prefer, they'll give you record sheets, a logbook or a diary. Otherwise, you can always print them out from the meter manufacturer's website. And that's about it. Make sure your meter's nice and clean when you finish. And if you do have any problems using it, just take it with you to your next appointment and ask. Or don't forget that you can call the company support number for assistance. Visit the website to watch all the videos in our series to help you understand how to manage your diabetes.